In this video, we are going to be going over the special case of perfect squares. So what that means is if I were to actually take a measurement of an area model, it would mean that they are exactly the same length and width. That's what we're talking about. So in this case, we're going to be seeing how we factor. So we have A times C on top, B on the bottom, just like before. A times C is 100 and B is negative 20. So the only way that this is going to be negative and this is multiplying to positive is if we have two negatives being multiplied together. So we have different options such as negative 5 times negative 20, negative 10 times negative 10. And I'm going to stop there because negative 10 plus negative 10 is negative 20. So this is negative 10, and this is negative 10. So I'm going to go back over to my area model and fill things out. So I have 25 n squared here, 4 here, negative 10n here, negative 10n here. So what do 4 and negative 10 have in common? 2. And what do 4 and negative 10 have in common here? Also 2. Then we have this 25 right here. So what do 5 and 10 have in common? 5, and same with here. Now notice that we're missing one thing. There's a negative 10 here and a negative 10 here. I need something to be negative, which means that negative 5 and negative 5 make us a positive 25, and that'll give us the negative 10s we need. So that means that when we factor it, we have negative 5n plus 2 times negative 5n plus 2. And I can rewrite that as negative 5n plus 2 squared. Our next example is similar. So I have 16n squared plus 8n plus 1. From here, I have A times C and B. My B is 8. My A times C is 16. So if I go through, I can say 2 times 8, 1 times 16, 4 times 4. And we can see 4 plus 4 is 8, so it's 4 and 4. So again, I'm going to go back to my area model right here and fill in everything. So I have 1 here, I have 4n here, I have 4n here, and I have 16n squared here. So what do 1 and 4 have in common? Just 1, same over here. So what do 4 and 16 have in common? 4n, and same the other direction, 4n. So that means when I factor it, I have 4n plus 1 times 4n plus 1, and that equals 4n plus 1 squared. Hopefully you can notice the pattern that comes up in some of these.